What's up everyone, and welcome to you on the MOONCHARTS YouTube channel. Hope that you're all doing very well. As always, I'm just so happy right now, and hope you're too. Hope you have been able to catch that low here, because yes, that low gave a nice 15% push to the upside, non Coinbase but on Bybit. So yeah, really hope you have been able to long that low really here. You can see, so on Coinbase we did not took the lows, on Bybit here we took the lows. Okay, have been able to feel long around the 24,000 price. So that's pretty cool. As you can see here, that brings us with a very big, almost 15% push to the upside. It's pretty cool. So yeah, hope you feel the update yesterday. You know, all of these targets was planned yesterday. I'm not joking out, all this was all planned yesterday, as you can see here on the YouTube channel. So that's pretty cool. We planned all of these targets. The only thing I had to do here was, as I said in the video, was to read the order flow right here into the targets. That was the only thing you had to do. And so then you see we got a very large move to the downside from, so I think it was a 618. I mean, the MC extension, a bit below here. As you can see, we just had a drop. We just went through all the targets. We got absolutely no reason to long, and I'm gonna explain you today how that was possible to get this very nice long trade right here. Okay, as you can see, this was planned with VIP, the double XY here before the drop, was already looking for this move to the downside. And as I like to say, give me the chart, I will tell you the news. You know, it can be Elon Musk or whatever that sold his Bitcoin, Tesla, I absolutely don't care. Everything was planned way in advance as always. And yeah, this is just absolutely crazy, and you will make so much money off this if you watch the yesterday update. So yeah, as always, don't forget to smash that like, to subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications. And now let's see how that was possible to get this very nice long trade from the very low. Okay, so we got just a very quick move down right here. You can see on the first target we got no reason to long, as I say to VIPs. I also say on the YouTube channel. Second target, nothing, we just went through. Third target, we just went through. And here I'm just going to add, by the way, remove the MC extension here, the 120 extension, the 1823 is gonna leave. Here's the last target we'll have planned. And so the thing is, if you pay attention, by the way, so I mean, if you pay attention here, by the way, yeah, before to continue with this, I don't know if you remember here, but really go on Twitter, go and follow the account Twitter. So it's MOONCHARTS_. If you remember good, on the on July the 19th, and even before that with VIPs, you know, we got this very nice range here. Okay, we got this from that low to that low to that top here. That was an extremely good support for the range we got on the top. Okay, and so this range of course was given on during June, so I mean it's quite a while from here. But if you pay attention, we went exactly on the bottom of the channel, as you can see here, where to reclaim and find the resistance right in the middle of this consolidation. So really hope you're paying attention to what I'm saying, what I'm giving to you really. And yeah, just go and follow us, I mean follow me here on Twitter. It's MOONCHARTS_ account, and yeah, you can get some very good stuff there. But anyway, so here, why and how I have been able to catch the low here, because the thing is, Bybit went, as you can see, are a lot more down compared to Coinbase. But the thing is, live in the time, if you pay attention, we got so when it was dropping here, okay, we was staying around here as a 1618, while Bybit was just dropping even more and more. Once we started here to approach the low on Bybit, we started to I mean, it was staying clear here, it was not really moving so much, and was reaching here as a 1618. And so the thing is, now how was it possible to take the long? The only thing you had to do here is to use an order flow. As always, if you want to know how to read an order flow, you just have to go on the mooncharts.fr website, you go in the course Exocharts section, and you will get all the stuff, all the course, everything clearly you have to know. And for example here, the long and short trade data, the MC reaction, or for example here, that was more the CVD, the absorption. So where is this? Where is the absorption here? Absorption. Okay, so you have to learn what is the absorption, and just by getting the absorption you could get the low right here. We didn't got any MC reaction or something, simply because that was way too volatile here, like really way too volatile. And what you had to check out was simply the 10-second chart. So we're going to zoom in a bit here, okay, expand this a bit, and we're going to go on the very low here. Okay, so this was when we took the lows, we got acceptance below here. I mean, got acceptance below on the 10-second chart. We cannot really say we got acceptance below here on ByBit, okay? But we went and took out the lows here. I was looking for this possible swing through pan, and the thing is, as I said earlier, was on the 1618 on Coinbase, so on the maximum target of the wave we have planned. As always, I trust my plan. I plan my waves, I trust my waves, okay? This is very, very, very important to trust your own plan. Now, if you want to follow this plan, you just trust the plan. You do as always, there are no financial advice, you do whatever you want, okay? But once we have reached it, here's a 1618 maximum target. As you can see here, all the way down we got some few green cans, but we didn't got any rise from here, okay? We didn't got any push to the upside. A lot of green cans here. Once we started to reach the 1618 on Coinbase and we got the swing through pound ByBit, we started to get these green cans right here. As you can see, with some few longs they're opening few longs that's quite a lot, not gonna lie. On the 10-second chart we got like 1.3 million here, 3.2 million, 1.7 million, 4 million here coming. I mean, we've got some few millions here opening to put the price higher. These are market orders, you can see here. And what you had to pay attention here was simply the absorption, the CVD here, okay? So what you got clearly here, so a low made here. You can see you got a low here, you can see it on the CVD. You have a low here on the chart. You cannot deny that. We'll have a low, and here we'll have a low and a high low on the right. Look at the right here, we'll have a high low compared to here. If I left my mouth here, okay, have a low and a high low. What it means that we have absorption, okay? So again, you can learn that on the website. What is absorption? When you have limited orders, they're absorbing all the market orders coming in here, okay? So of course here we have a decree on the open interest. Again, if you want to learn that, you have this once more on the website, the open interest right here, okay? But a decree on open interest means simply that you have some people taking profit, liquidations, and as we are taking a low, we have a lot of liquidations or stop loss taken, or people closing their trades, taking profit, okay? So you have all of this, but you don't really have new trades opening here. Of course, you still have some new trades opening here. For example, here I have like almost 1 million of shorts here coming in. You can see this in the counts there. So of course you have some trade opening, but you have more people closing their trades, liquidations, top loss taken, all of this, okay? And next you start to get some long. But the thing is, why I decided to take my long, simply because we got absorption. We didn't got all the way down, we finally got a few absorption exactly on our last target, and when ByBit was doing the swing fully pan. And from here we started to get a rise, we started to get some green counts here that we didn't got from all the way down. That is the only reason why I took my long trade. I just trusted my plan, trusted my waves, and that's it. And that brings us with this very, 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 very cool, if we can say that, this very cool trade, long trade here, at where I filled my trade $24,000. So as you can see, it's around the low. Like if you go like this, okay, you have this push to the upside, 24,000 is my entries around there, okay? So really on the low of the low. So you had to be extremely fast, because yes, this is a 10-second chart, so one candle is 10 seconds. It's maybe scary, okay? It can scare you at the very beginning, but when you know what you're looking at, when you know what you're looking for clearly, and you have your plan, you're ready for the move, you don't care about you're not stressed, you don't have emotion, you remove your emotion, you just read the data behind the market, you see what's happening, you see the data, you do not think, you just bam, execute the trade, and that's it, and just enjoy an exit profit, okay? So yeah, it's pretty cool, not gonna lie. So if you want to get such order flow, you have to go on the website and go into the resource right there, bam, course resource, and you can download the my current workspace. So you just have this here, Exocharts Pro workspace, okay? You have this here, you just have to click this and you can download this. Of course, it's for VIP and apprentice, but you can get this workspace here with all the levels. You know, we have to update daily, for example, the TPOs, daily negative path control, weekly, month negative path control, the naked session path controls here, okay? A lot of levels to be aware of to trade the market good. And yes, so now the thing is, what we can expect next on this, because yes, we have done a double X. Why can we go more down? Yes, of course we can go more down. We can absolutely take the lows also on Coinbase. It's possible, okay? But the thing is, in any case, you have been able to ride a 15% push to the upside. I mean, this is not something that you do a lot, not gonna lie. So you got normally, I mean, if you're VIP, you normally stay used to you stay in the short from the top here, so you have a very nice 25% drop. So that's quite a lot. And in addition to this, you got this very nice almost 15% push to the upside. So it's not all the time you get some kind of big move like this. So even if we drop from here, go and take out the lows, you have been able to ride a 15% push to the upside, and money is made on this. Now it's top, like I said, entry, took profit, and now it's fine. I'm gonna let it go. If I get stopped out, I get stopped down. Entry, if we push high, and I enjoy just some more profit, right? So now the thing is, let's go back on Coinbase. What we can look for, okay? I'm gonna make it very easy. The prime is now on Coinbase. If you go on the 1 minute, for example, you have a very fuck chart, not gonna lie. So to this, I mean, to clearly say what is this, it's more likely a correction if we don't count this cam week, but again, it can be, for example, a real week that we have to count with Elliott Wave, for example. In that case, these are 5 waves to the upside. So it's a bit complex to determine what is this, okay? We need to get some more data here. We need to spend some more time here to see what's happening on Coinbase. And again, for example, here we can take the lows on Coinbase, but as Bybit have a much bigger wick, here we can just do a retest here and then get another rise. For example, retest just above the channel, get another rise, or just retest, you know, some levels here. You just have to pull your retracement tool, for example, at the confluence with the levels from Exocharts. Oops, right there. Best targets, okay, at this plus the levels you can get on Exocharts. Okay, so you have to go here, bam, in the template, the naked session path control, TPO day naked path control. Okay, you of course have some more levels you got before, for example. You can now flip to support, but yeah, you just have to use the confluence really, so at the Exocharts levels, and yeah, this is how you can look for a possible retest, okay? But we can take the lows on Coinbase and not on Bybit, because Bybit have a much more bigger wick. As you understood, we went like below the low, and Coinbase did not took the lows at all yet, okay? So in any case, now if we take the lows, we can look for another swing third pound on Coinbase, for example, or a failed auction. So speak a swing third pound, just take the lows, reclaim directly, okay? And a failed auction is when you just take the lows, spend some more time, and then you reclaim, okay? Now the thing is, if we go, for example, reach now the 200, we go below here and get nothing of the low here, and go, for example, here to the 200%. What is the 200%? Simply the invalidation of the pan. So if we get the invalidation here of the pan, what I'm going to take here is simply a W, okay, X, Y, that retracement was an X, and I'm going to look for a Z wave to the downside. If we make something really bigger to the downside, I'm going to make another update on the YouTube channel and let you know what I'm looking at. Okay, I already planned that with VIP, but for now I'm gonna make it very easy here and gonna show you the most probable stuff really. Okay, I mean the best way, if we can say that. So now, if we get a rise, then for the moment we need some more confirmations about what is this. Okay, we need some more confirmations, we need some more data here to determine if we push. I mean, the thing is, if we push up from here, you're in the trade, so maybe more from Bybit, okay, so from much lower than this. So if, for example, now we do this, we just get a rise and a big continuation, then you just stay in the trade from here. And I'm gonna make an update next, of course, on the YouTube channel to let you know what are more likely the way. But for now, it's a bit early to say what we're going to do if we push here to the upside. Even if we push here to the upside, be aware of that it can still be absolutely here the W, X, Y, X retracement, and then a Z here. As always, the X wave have to retrace minimum 38.2, but we already have done and clearly have done this. If you go on the 1 minute, you can see that the wick here, the first wick we got on the first reclaim, went already into the 50%, so it's absolutely already done. Okay, so we can absolutely also drop from here, it's ready. Okay, but we do not need to push high to retrace next. Okay, but if we push high, can be a correction, can be an impulsive, it depends on what data we're going to create next year, and we need this data here, so it's too early to say for the moment. Okay, but yeah, anyway, really hope you enjoyed the yesterday update, hope you made profit with this drop, and hope you took advantage of these targets I gave you. And yeah, I mean, yeah, you can clearly see here that, I mean, we don't care about the news. That's not a surprise really. Okay, give me the chart, I will tell you the news, and that's it really. Okay, you don't care about the news, everything was planned way in advance. It's not a surprise to get a drop here. Maybe Elon Musk sold his Bitcoin, but what a surprise, we planned this while to the downside and we got it right. So I mean, now we cannot deny Elliott Waves is just absolutely crazy, and if you don't like Elliott Waves, I mean, this is a proof that you should learn it and you should use it really. Okay, but anyway, what was the other one here? Okay, yeah, but yeah, so that's it really. So really hope you enjoyed, and yeah, wish you all a very good weekend, a lovely one after this very nice price action that was very boring to be in there, but now we finally are getting some volatility. That's pretty cool. And yeah, anyway, have a brilliant day, take care, have a nice weekend too, and see you all in the next one. Cheers.